Your ULTRAtenna includes the antenna, an instruction manual, mounting hardware consisting of a U-bolt, nest, and bracket assembly, along with 2 screws, 2 nuts, and 2 washers. You'll need a 13mm wrench and a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver. Step 1. Loosen all 4 butterfly bolts. Fold out the front section of the antenna. Make sure the front section is straight and parallel with respect to the reflector grid. Securely retighten all 4 butterfly bolts. Step 2. Make sure the U-bolt is placed between the 2 bracket clamps before attaching using the 2 screws. Attach mounting hardware to the middle of the antenna grid as shown. Step 3. Mount the antenna to a mast as shown. Using a screwdriver and wrench, tighten all loose hardware. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master ULTRAtenna. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.